Hi friends, are you ready to dive into the delicious world of ramen? Whether you're a ramen newbie or a seasoned noodle slurper, you've come to the right place. From the rich, creamy broth of the south to the lighter, delicate flavors of the north, Japan's ramen scene is packed with variety. Each bowl tells its own story, representing not just ingredients but the region it comes from. So grab your chopsticks and let's explore the world of ramen. Let's start with one of the most common types, Shoyu ramen. This soy sauce-based ramen originated in Tokyo. Its light and savory broth is made by blending soy sauce with a chicken or pork stock, often flavored with dried fish or seaweed for extra depth. Next up, we have Shio ramen. This one comes from the northern city of Hakodate in Hokkaido and uses a simple salt-based seasoning. The broth is lighter and clearer, usually made from chicken or pork bones. This is the perfect choice for those who prefer a more delicate flavor. Now let's talk about miso ramen, a favorite from Sapporo, also in Hokkaido. This one is a total flavor bomb, thanks to its rich, hearty broth made with fermented soybean paste. Typically, you'll find toppings like butter, corn, and bean sprouts, which complement the thick umami-packed broth. Perfect for warming up on those chilly winter days. Down south, on the island of Kyushu, Tonkotsu ramen was born, the king of rich ramen. This bowl is made by boiling pork bones for hours, creating a thick, creamy, and ultra-savory broth that is famous worldwide. The noodles here are usually thin and straight, ideal for absorbing all that delicious, porky goodness. And don't forget the toppings. Pickled ginger, sesame seeds, and black garlic oil are just some of the options that make this ramen unforgettable. If you want to change things up, try Tsukemen, a dipping style ramen where the noodles are served separately from the broth. Tsukemen doesn't have a specific regional origin, but it gained popularity in Tokyo. The broth is usually thicker and more concentrated than your regular ramen, perfect for dipping those chewy noodles. Beyond these classics, there are countless regional varieties to discover, like the Kitakata ramen from Fukushima, known for its wavy noodles and light fishy broth, or Onomichi ramen from Hiroshima, famous for its soy sauce broth with a hint of pork fat. You can really take a deep dive into the world of ramen and discover that what might appear as slight changes between them are actually completely different categories of ramen. Now that you're well versed on the different kinds of ramen, let's talk about something that is equally, if not more important, in the world of ramen. That is ramen etiquette. Eating ramen isn't just about the flavors. It's about embracing the culture and doing it the right way. First, let's talk about slurping. That's right. In Japan, slurping your noodles isn't just acceptable, it's encouraged. Not only does it help cool the noodles down, but it also enhances the flavor by aerating the broth. Plus, it's a sign to the chef that you're enjoying the meal. So don't be shy and let those noodles fly. The second rule is to eat it quickly. Ramen is best when it's hot and fresh, so don't wait too long. The longer the noodles sit, the soggier they get. You want the perfect balance of firm noodles and hot broth. Number 3, don't bite through the noodles. Lift a nice portion with your chopsticks, slurp them whole, and go in for another bite. It might feel like second nature to take a small bite, but in ramen etiquette, this is definitely frowned upon. Number 4, be quick, quiet, and decisive. In Japan, many ramen shops are small, busy spaces where people come for a quick, satisfying bite. Ramen is typically eaten solo or quietly with friends. The focus of a ramen house is to enjoy the dish rather than conversation. Ordering ramen is often quick and straightforward. Many shops have vending machines where you'll select and pay for your ramen before sitting down. You're expected to enjoy your ramen and leave straight away. Finally, don't forget to thank the chef. Remember that ramen chefs are masters of their craft. Whether they've been perfecting their broth for years or carefully preparing each bowl, they take pride in their work. A simple arigato gozaimasu or a respectful nod before leaving is a great way to show your appreciation for the chef's efforts. So next time you sit down to enjoy a bowl of ramen, you'll be eating like a pro. Whether you're visiting Japan or hunting for the best ramen spot in your city, understanding these ramen types will take your noodle game to the next level. If you found this Ramen Crash Course helpful, hit the subscribe button for more delicious content. Arigato gozaimasu!